Hi everyone, this is Aruna Richami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In this video, I am going to explain about a relational algebra operator. In the previous section itself, I explained about the select operator. Today, we will see the project operator along with the combining of select and the project operation. Because select and project can be used combinedly only. So, what do you mean by project means? So, we have to select these certain things, certain attributes. We're going to discard other attributes. For that only we go for the project, because if you are considering a student database, student database contain all the details. Is it right? Here I have to project only the mark, means I have to project that alone. I have to neglect remaining attributes. Is it clear? So that only we can call it as a project. A projection is also called as a vertical partitioning, because it is a partition in the relation or a table vertically and discarding the other columns or attribute. Why I am saying it is a vertically means vertically only all the attributes are present in the vertical side. So we going to partitioning our data in a vertical thing. So this is a data set notation. Here we going to use the pi, and also here we have to mention the attribute along with the relation. It belongs to what type of a relation. So only it can be denoted as pi a of r. Pi is an operator. A is nothing but the attribute. So going to project attribute, and there it belongs to what type of a relation. We will see the example. Here it will have a, I'm having the table. It can contain ID, name, department name, and salary. Here I have to project only ID, name, and salary. See here, I have to eliminate the department name from the instructor table. How I can write the query for this one means, because I have to vertically project my table. Is it right? Vertically partitioning my table. Because in this table, I'm going to remove the department name. For that, I'm going to use the project symbol. Inside the project, what type of an attribute I have to mention? I need ID, name, and salary. I'm going to eliminate a department name. So here I have mentioned it as ID, name, salary. From which relation? From the instructor relation. If I do this thing, you can able to obtain these type of a table. What we need to project, that will be displayed over here. So this is a use of project. So while compose is normally in our, we are going for a different type of an application, definitely we need the composition of the relationship. So composition relational algebra expression is nothing but the result of a relational algebra operation is a relation. And therefore, relational algebra operation can be composed together into a relational algebra expression. For example, see here, this is my instructor department, instructor relation or a table. Here, I have to find the names of all instructor in the physics department. Here, I have to project the name alone. Here, I am going to project, I need only the name. Those here belong to the physics department. So, I have to use a project. So, in the project, I have to shortlist only a name. I have to select the physics department. So I have to give one the dow symbol, department name equal to physics, relation is an instructor. Normally in our C programming language, other programming language, so we are having a nested thing. Is it right? This is nothing but the nested. So here first it will execute the inner query. After that it will execute the final query. See here, the leave the pi of name. The remaining thing, see here, this one. So this one is, it will select the physics department from the instructor. Is it right? So you can get an output like this. Is it right? You can get an output like this. Like this. In this, I need only the Einstein and gold. For that only, I am going to give like this. Pi of name. So in this case, I can able to get a gold and the Einstein. So these are the person who belongs to the Department of Physics. So this is how a composition of a relational operation can be worked. Why I have teach this particular concept means, if you go for an real world application and all, definitely we're going to use these type of cases. because a project can contain so many table or so many relation. Out of that, we're going to selecting a certain things. So we're going to view or we're going to project the certain things to the user or other person. For that, definitely we're going to use these type of a thing. So the next operator, we will see it in the next class. So this is the how combinedly we can use this select and the project operator. Thank you for watching my video.